Hello everyone, welcome back to Kids Python Challenge. Okay, so let's continue our work. So last time, where were we last time? Okay, last time we started to make some programs on desktop environments. And the thing is, yeah, we checked that most of the things can be run without much modifications on the desktop environment. So we checked some games and painting games and some turtle games. Okay, turtle graphics. And the last homework was how about Treasure Hunt by Turtle, which was in E4. So okay, let's quickly check that. So let's go to Colab, open E4. Okay. Let's see. No. E4. So let's see, file E4, and let's see. And in the meantime, we will open idle. Let's see. And then, are we on the same correct position? It seems not. Okay, and then open file, make a new file. Okay, let's see. Let's first try to copy from here. Where are we? Yeah, this one. Okay, so let's copy first from here the line drawing part onto here. But before that, of course, we want to make import turtle as t. This is important. And also maybe we will need to import random because these are here, right? Okay, yeah, we copy this. We don't need, so let's see if we can draw lines using this. So save this as, say, E4 turtle, E4 treasure, py, and let's run it. Okay, the point is t initialize turtle. Okay, so initialize is not, as we found out, we don't need this. So let's move it here. And but we don't need this, so let's just comment this out. Let's see. Okay. So slowly it's drawing. Most of it is fine. Okay. Okay, so maybe it's slow. So we might want to change the speed as t dot speed instead of this. T dot speed maybe 9. And we notice that the position is not so good. So we will move to, say, let's see, BB as, okay, and then can be much smaller, okay, and then small BB is maybe okay, maybe let's see. Okay, this is fine. Okay. Okay, let's try this. Good. And then we'll copy the rest of the code here. Okay. From here down to here. Copy and paste it at the end. And see if we can work without much modification. Let's copy it. Let's run it. Let's save and run it. Okay, so let's move it west. Not so good. Where is the this is it. Let's go to okay. So let's check. Uh so north. Ah, it doesn't work. So what's wrong with it? Ah, I see. We 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 hit from the first one. So let's run it again. Okay. So this distance is 3. Okay, so maybe 2. Let's make it smaller. Okay, distance is 3, so let's go to north. Distance is 2. Yeah, seems it's working. East, good. Ah, south. Ah, maybe south and east are in opposite direction. So we will change the north and south because of the so we make minus here and remove minus here. Okay, let's change it. Okay, good. So north, good. South, west. Okay, west. Okay, good. So it seems it's working. Please check yourself whether almost everything is fine with larger ends, for example. Okay, let's move on to today's work. Okay, so as for this, let's just escape and stop it. Q. Okay, let's see what's today's work. Using a game engine Pyxel. So we're going to start with install a retro game engine Pyxel and make some games, old-fashioned games. I hope you like them. So, okay, to do that, let's do go to where we are. Okay, go to and make CMD here so that we can make installations. Install pip install maybe you Pyxel. Okay, this will install Pyxel to your computer. In my case, it's already here, but it has updated the version. Okay, Pyxel's page can be found by looking for Pyxel, and here is the author Kitao-san's page in English. Okay, I'll make URL of this page in the description box below. Okay, so now we have made the installed Pyxel. Let's start to make some simple graphics first. Okay, like this. Okay, let's draw it. Come with me. Okay, start. Prepare a white 200 by 100 white canvas. Okay, so let's see. What we need is make new. Okay, and then what we need is import. Maybe we'd better close this. So, okay, import Pyxel. And then Pyxel init 200 by 100. Okay, let's see. Maybe this is good enough. Okay, fine. And then draw lines of a tower. You see these lines to symbolize a tower. Okay, so maybe the canvas is 200 by 100. So it should be, so this is 200. Oops, something is wrong. Okay, and this is 100. So maybe the center point is like 130. Okay, let's make a line by 100. Okay, line 100. Line is drawn by giving the starting point as 110 and ending point, terminating point where, and the color as black. Okay, so let's see. Just draw just like as I write. Okay. 130, 100, color 0. Okay. And then as last, we need to write Pyxel show. Okay, let's save it as E1, E tower 1, and run it. Let's run it. Okay. And let's run it. Let's see. Too bad. We want to draw it as white, as I said. So Pyxel CLS clear as 7. Okay, let's run it. Okay, good. This is what we wanted. Let's continue. Just writing. Next, draw at an observatory deck like this. Okay, it's blue one. Okay, so it will be okay. Okay, this one. Okay, so it will be like rectangle. So Pyxel rect start the right top, the left top is 70. And the 90. And size is 60 by 20 in color blue. Good. Let's see if it is good. This is too low. Maybe we want to make it as 30 instead of 90. Sorry. This should be here. Okay. Good. And what's next? And draw the sun. Sun is here. A circle. We can draw it using a circle command. Okay, so Excel circle. 170, 15, radius is 10, color is 8. Okay, about the colors, maybe if you go to Pixel's page, there's a color map. So you can see that 8 is for red, 7 is for white, 0 is for black. Okay, so here now we have a sun here. Okay, good. What's next? Draw a spaceship like this. Okay, this can be drawn by circle plus maybe rectangle. Okay, let's anyway do this. Excel. Another set. 30, 20, radius is 10, color is 10, and also Excel rect 15, 17, 30, size is horizontally 30 and vertically 6, and the color is 9. So let's see. Okay, good. This is what we wanted. Lastly, draw characters on the deck as this, Python NOX. Okay, just follow me. Here, okay, Excel text. Position is like 75. It should be in this deck. So 75, 97, 97. And the string is Python number X. Okay. And color is maybe in 10. Let's see if it's good enough. Wrong. I made position was wrong. So what's wrong with this? So maybe the position was totally wrong. It should be close to this. So okay. 37. How about 37? Okay, good. Good. So we could draw exactly the same image as this, graphics as this. Good. So this is how we can draw simple graphics using Pyxel. You see the code? Now, maybe from next time, we will start to move the objects and move the characters and something like that using this. Okay, that's all for today. Today it's homework at the building. Maybe at the building here or here. It's all up to you. Okay, hope you come back next time. Hope you like this program. Okay, see you next time. Bye-bye.